Students, we know that straight line method is also referred to as original cost method, that is original cost method, or it is also referred to as fixed installment method. In this case, depreciation is always charged on the cost of the asset, that is the original purchase price of the asset. Now, there is a method to calculate this kind of depreciation, and the formula goes by depreciation per year is equal to the cost of the asset minus scrap value divided by useful life or the commercial life. Now here, the cost of the asset includes any kind of expense that has been incurred on the asset at the time of its purchase, or any kind of expense that has been incurred to make this asset operational, like installation charges or transportation charges. Now let us take an example. On 1st January 2006, ABC Limited purchased a machine for rupees 14,50,000 and spent rupees 50,000 on its installation. Now students, they have purchased it for 14,50,000 and spent 50,000 on its installation. The scrap value at the end of 10 years is expected to be rupees 3 lakhs. That means the useful life or the commercial life of this particular asset or this particular part of machinery is 10 years, and the scrap value or the cost of the asset that would be realized at the end of these 10 years is rupees 3 lakh. So what would be the depreciation that should be charged each year under straight line method? We can calculate by using this formula. Depreciation would be equal to cost. In this case, cost is equal to 14,50,000 plus 50,000 minus the scrap value. In this case, the scrap value is 3 lakh divided by 10 years. That is the useful commercial life. So the amount comes to 15 lakhs minus 3 lakh, that is 12 lakh divided by 10, which comes to rupees 1,20,000. So in this case, depreciation that would be charged per year on this particular machinery would be rupees 1,20,000.